Hi, my name is Rucha and I am here to teach you Sanskrit. Today, we will see 9th Standard Sanskrit. This video will be same for 50 marks Sanskrit as well as 100 marks Sanskrit. Let's start. This is Navamaha Patha Suktisudha. Kanthasthi Karanartham. That means you should learn this by heart. Sukti is Su-ukti. That is a good saying. Let's see. This is a little introduction that they have given you and it talks about Subhashits. Na choraharyam, na charajaharyam, na bhratrubhajam, na cha bharakari. Vyaye krute vardhata eva nityam, vidyadhanam sarvadhana pradhanam. Now, this shlok talks about vidyadhana. Vidya is knowledge and dhana is wealth. Knowledge is such a wealth that it cannot be stolen by a thief. Can a thief steal it? No, it cannot be stolen by a thief. Neither can it be stolen by a king, isn't it? Bhratrubhajyam? No, like it cannot be divided amongst brothers. And it is also not a load to carry. So, no choraharyam is cannot be stolen by a thief. Nacha rajaharyam is cannot be stolen by a king. Cho is and. No bhratrubhajyam is it cannot be divided amongst brothers. Nacha bharakari and it is not a load to carry. Vyaye krute vardhata eva nityam. Vyaya is when you spend something. Okay. Vyaye krute is on spending. Vardhata eva is vardhate adhik eva. Vardhate is increases. Eva is only or itself you can say. Nityam is always. Vidyadhanam is the wealth of knowledge. Sarva dhana pradhanam. Sarva dhana is amongst all the wealths. Pradhanam is very important. It is like a jewel of all the wealths. See, knowledge, wealth of knowledge is such a wealth that it cannot be stolen by a thief, cannot be stolen by a king. It cannot be divided amongst brothers. It is not a load to carry. And the most important is on spending, it increases. Whatever wealth you have, whenever you spend it, it decreases. If you have money and when you spend it, it decreases. You will have to earn it again to increase it. But knowledge is such a wealth that it increases when shared. Like when you teach something to someone. Try doing this. If you teach something to someone, your knowledge about that particular subject increases. So, this wealth of knowledge is very much important amongst all the wealths. Okay, next one. This is Ayam nijaha paroveti ganana laghu chetasam udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Now, laghu chetasam krute अयम नीजः परः वा इति गणना अस्ति. उदारचरितानां कृते तु वसुधा एव कुटुम्बकम् अस्ति. Now, ayam is this. Nijah is something which is near to you. Ayam nijah, that is, this is mine. Paroveti is parah, adhik va, adhik iti. Now, parah, that is, it is of someone else. Va is or. And iti is thus. Okay. Now, ayam nijah, that is, this is mine, or this is of others. Parah. Iti, that is thus, is the ganana. Ganana is counting or calculation or consideration. Of whom? Of laghu chetasam. Laghu chetasam is what? Laghu is small. And chetas is your mind of very narrow-minded people. Whenever someone considers this is mine, that is yours, when people are not ready to share something, people are very conservative, these people are called laghu chetas. This is mine or this is others. Thus is the consideration of low-minded people, narrow-minded people. But udara charitanam tu. Tu is but. And udara charita, udara is broad. Udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. That is vasudha eva kutumbakam asti. For them. For whom? for Udara Charitanam. Vasudha is the entire world. Vasudha is the earth actually, the earth, Prithvi. That means the entire world. Eva is itself. Kutumbakam is family. The entire world itself becomes their family. They are not narrow-minded. They are very broad-minded. You should always be like these people. You should not be like narrow-minded people. Okay. The next look is Paropakaraya phalanti vrikshaha Paropakaraya vahanti nadyah Paropakaraya duhanti gavah Paropakararthamidam shariram. Now, if we do something for benefit of others, which is going to help others, it is like upkara. Okay. See, trees bear fruits, right? And do trees eat these fruits themselves? No, they give it to people. They bear fruits for benefit of people. Rivers flow. Do they flow for themselves? No, we get water from these rivers. Birds drink water, animals drink water. These rivers give us water. Likewise, even cows. Cows give milk. They yield milk for themselves. Do they? No, they yield milk for people, for others, right? From them we should learn that ourself, our entire life should also be for benefit of others. We should always be kind to help someone. See, Paropakaraya phalanti vrikshaha. Paropakaraya is paraha adhik upakaraya. Now, paraha is of others. Upakaraya is for the benefit. Paropakaraya is for the benefit of others. Phalanti is bear fruits. Vrikshaha is trees. So, trees bear fruits for benefit of others. Paropakaraya is again for the benefit of others. Vahanti is flow. Nadyah is rivers. Rivers flow for benefit of others. Likewise, Gavah. Gavah is what? Gavah is not gav. It is cows. Okay? Cows. Duhanti is to yield milk. Okay? Cows yield milk or they give milk for benefit of others. Paropakarartham idam shariram. That is paropakarartham adhik idam and then shariram. Idam is this. Okay, shariram is our sharir and paropakarartham is for benefit of others. Okay, ksha paropakaraya phalanti, trees bear fruits for benefit of others. Nadyah paropakaraya vahanti, rivers flow for benefit of others. Gava paropakaraya duhanti, cows give milk for benefit of others. Idam shariram paropakarartham eva asti. That is, this sharir is also for benefit of others. Next is Jadyam dhiyo harati sinchati vachi satyam manunnatim dishati papam apakaroti chittam prasadayati dikshu tanoti kirtim satsangatihi kathaya kim na karoti punsam. Satsangatihi. Sat is good and sangati is company. So satsangatihi is company of good people. You know, man is known by the company he keeps. That is, you are the product of people around you. And if the people around you are good people, you know, it can create wonders. How? I'll tell you. When you are around good people, what happens is Jadyam dhiyo harati. Jadyam is dullness. Okay. Dhiyo is buddhi. Okay. That is dullness of intellect. Harati is takes away. Dullness of intellect is taken away by satsangati. Then, sinchati vachi satyam. Sinchati is to sprinkle. Vachi is on your speech. Satyam is truth. Satsangati, what it does, it sprinkles truth on your speech. You never lie. You speak truth. Then, manunnatim dishati. Mano, that is your respect. And unnati is progress. Dishati is it directs you. It directs you towards progress and respect. Okay, if you progress and automatically you get respect. Then papam pakaroti is papam adhik apakaroti. Okay, so this ma and this ma gets complete and then you have pa like that. Okay, so Papam apakaroti is it takes you away from sins, and papam is seen, and apakaroti is it removes or it takes you away from sins. Okay, then chittam prasadayati. Chittam is mind, and prasadayati is to delight. It delights your mind. Dikshu tanoti kirtim. Dikshu is in all the directions. Okay, tanoti is spreads. It spreads. Kirtim. Kirti is your fame. Okay, it spreads your fame in all the directions. Dikshu. Okay, it says satsangati kathaya, that is say, kim na karoti punsam. Kim na karoti is what does it not do. Punsam is of people. Punsa is men or humans. So say, what does satsangati not do for men, for humans? It does everything. It takes away dullness of intellect, it sprinkles truth on your speech, it takes you towards progress and respect, it takes away sins, it delights your mind, and it spreads your fame in all the directions. Kathaya sat satsangati, that is that satsangati. Punsam kim hitam na karoti. What does it not benefit? It benefits in all the way. Okay, that's it for today. Rest of the shlokas in part 2 of this video. Till then, bye bye. May God bless you. Shubham Bhavatu.